It's raining in Cape Town, and a little creature has ventured into a nearby house in an attempt to escape the rain. His name is Sven, and he is on the lookout for a place to spend the night. This will not do. His search continues. Perhaps this room will have some place for him to stay. But what is this? He spotted something. Fascinating. Could this be another Sven? Alas, it is only a reflection. Perhaps another room. He seems to have spotted something. And away he goes. Ah, a comfy couch. This will be the perfect place to spend the night. Sleep tight, Sven.